once we've built a strong Linux foundation, once we're comfortable with command line tools, a great next step is going to be the Ansible Engineer Workshop. This is where we're going to take automation to the next level. In this workshop, you'll go from running ad hoc tasks to building fully structured Ansible playbooks, Ansible roles, and infrastructure deployment pipelines using Ansible. You're going to learn how to write modular, reusable, reusable automation that mirrors what's actually being done in production environments today. Things like deploying web servers, configuring firewalls, managing users, configuring Splunk, and pushing updates across multiple systems automatically. You're going to stop SSHing into servers one by one and start automating things like a pro. All right, this is the same workflow that is used in real companies by their DevOps engineers, their infrastructure engineers, their automation engineers. So if DevOps or infrastructure is in your lane, this workshop here is going to be clutch because it's preparing you for roles like DevOps engineers, infrastructure and automation engineer, configuration management, platform engineer, including Linux and system administrator roles.